channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. So today I have a challenge for you. It's called the Baby Shark Ab Challenge. So don't go anywhere. This challenge requires a lot of core strength. You're going to be doing a bunch of ab workouts while listening to the song Baby Shark. So hope you guys stay tuned and please try this challenge out. Again, the Baby Shark Ab Challenge. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed that challenge. It just required 3 different movements. Flutter kicks, crisscrosses, as well as bicycle kicks. So again, use those 3 moves. If you want to use different movements, you're more than happy to. You can do leg lifts, whatever you may. I only wanted to do 3 because it's a little bit easier to do the routine. So again, flutter kicks, crisscrosses, and as well as my bicycle kicks. Hope you enjoyed the challenge. Again, join me in doing this challenge. Again, Baby Shark Ab Challenge. Very fun, very exciting. Take care. Until next time.